Samantalang kinilala ni Pangulo Aquino ang patuloy na pagbuti ng retail industry sa bansa. Inihayag ito ng Pangulo sa courtesy call ng Federation of Asia Pacific Retailers Association o FAPRA sa Palasyo ng Malacanang. Si Rocky Ignacio ang ating tagapagbalita.
Ipinagmalaki ni Pangulo Aquino ang malaking potensyal ng Pilipinas sa larangan ng retail industry sa courtesy call ng Philippine Retailers Association Board of Directors at delegasyon ng Federation of Asia Pacific Retailers Association o FAPRA sa Malacanang. Sinabi ng Pangulo ang patuloy na pagbuti ng sektor sa pagtala ng 12.6% sa gross domestic product ng bansa nitong 2014. Ito anyang dahilan para ituring ang Pilipinas bilang pangunahing destinasyon ng retail industry sa Asia.
There was a time when the Philippines was considered a backwater in terms of trade and retail. Filipinos often had to travel elsewhere to gain access to a greater variety of goods. Today, however, the situation is very different, thanks in large part to the men and women who make up the Philippine Retailers Association and their predecessors. As our visitors might have seen during their visit, new brands and new stores are opening their doors to the public every single day. Indeed, the Philippines is not only back on the map, it is also gaining prominence as a retail destination in Asia.
Kinilala rin ng Pangulo ang natatanging kakayahan ng Filipino workers bilang isa sa pinakamagaling na salesmen ng mga produkto sa mundo.
Many Filipinos consider malling or visiting shopping malls as one of our national pastimes. Of course, consumption is not the only thing my countrymen are good at. In fact, I challenge you to find a better salesman or saleswoman than a Filipino. They're always ready to offer a smile, crack a joke, or even go the extra mile to effectively market their products. For example, the many salespeople who demonstrate the powers of the portable karaoke machine by belting out songs in shopping malls. To our visitors today, just ask any one of your counterparts in the PRA or even Secretary Jimenez and Domingo, and they will be the first to tell you that our people are talented, creative, and hardworking.
Bukod sa retail industry, nanatilian niyang malakas ang Business Process Outsourcing o BPO kung saan umabot sa 900,000 ang empleyado. Target din ng pamahalaan na paubutin ito sa mahigit 1 milyong manggagawa sa taong 2016.
More and more investors are coming to the Philippines. Manufacturing has rebounded. The business process management industry alone remains very, very strong and today employs 900,000 individuals, which we expect to reach 1,200,000 by 2016. Although our Secretary of Trade normally cautions his projections, that must mean 2015 rather than 2016, perhaps in the second quarter. Not to mention the record high number of foreign tourists visiting the Philippines, which expands the consumer base even more.
Ang Pilipinas ang magiging host ng 17th Asia Pacific Retailers Convention and Exhibition sa 2015.
There is no doubt you can trust Filipinos to ensure that retail is more fun in the Philippines. And since we discussed about that, can I just show you one of their inventions? It's a case for an iPhone. And of course, there's a very subtle message in the back of the case, which says it's more fun in the Philippines, which is demonstrated every time we take a picture.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.